Hello, RC fans. Racing 393. Is decent tech worth it? I think I heard someone say if you want to do a bit of content creating, you just need a phone. I've always had that, but I'm trying something else. Let's find out what it is. We're just trying out my new tech, if you like. GoPro 13 with an MJ Mic 2. New technology for me, so I'm just doing this as a test. Also, on the camera we have a macro lens, so we're going to try and see how close and how clear this is. That's right up on the lens for you to see. Maybe that repairs. That can, yeah. I mean, I can see it, so you should be able to see that. And what the sounds like, to be honest, over what I used to have, you know what I mean. So this is what I was using. So a little close up of that just to check. A 5K Ultra HD, which I don't know, it was alright, it did what it needed to do. I mean, it was probably a little bit better than what I gave it credit for. But I think the results weren't that good. Also, the interesting thing is with the mic is you should be able to hear me pretty clearly with a bit of luck. I haven't really messed around with the settings, if I'm honest. And also, this camera can be used for in here, but this is the other camera I've got. That's what I use anyway when I'm out and about. Yeah, I mean, maybe I will use this camera when I'm out. Could do with a second-hand one though, because I don't mind. I might keep it in. I don't want it to get wet or damaged. It's actually being powered. Not with the battery's not in it. The battery, I've charged it, but I've taken it out. So if I can move this, we have a power pack, which is powering the camera at the moment, which is good. So it can stay powered. It's got, as I say, the macro lens on there and the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. I've also got some, like another mic. You can just literally plug into this, which is there, which you can see. I have it's one thing after another, isn't it, really? I've also got the SD card in the camera is only a basic one, no different to anything else I've got, to be honest. You know, like that, no different. But you need a faster card, effectively. Like they come in different various sizes, obviously, for memory, but also the speed. V30 I think is the minimum, V30, V60, V90, but if you go to V90 they're about, I don't know, ridiculous, like £170, you know, it's mad. But I don't know, I have ordered one, a V30, so it's the slowest of the what you can get, but nevertheless it's actually quicker than this. So it's really a combination of the lighting, which, you know, I've got other lighting, but this one seems okay. Video quality, sound, and basically what does the GoPro sound like. I mean, I might put this up on the channel as just a bit of a test just so that you can see, and it'll be an early video. So other videos which I've done will be the old way, unfortunately, but new videos you'll see later on in the year will be with this camera. Yeah, again, we'll just go over really what the macro lens and how powerful it is with sort of a few bits and pieces like that. Now the screen's gone off into, like, I think it's standby, isn't it? So I might have to change the setting on that. And I don't need the screen on. Once it's set, it doesn't really need it because I've got the camera. I'll have to figure that bit out. Right, I think for now that's going to do for my video. Let me know what you think. Is it better? Should be. These ain't cheap. I mean, this isn't cheap. The DJI mic, it's cheapish, but it's not like £10 Chinese. It's probably just as, I don't know, where's it made? Probably China, who cares? But it seems to work. I'll find out when I do the editing. Right, so we'll test it, we'll put it on the channel. You give me some feedback. I'm pretty sure it's going to be okay, but time will tell. But you'll have to put up with my normal videos, quality, sound, lighting, sound, voice, etc, etc. But I'll catch you very soon with new tech, hopefully. Bye for now. How hot is this? Really hot. Second test, GoPro without that paired, just the normal internal mic. I'm just checking the sound. I'll leave it on there anyway. GoPro's pretty hot, which is a bit of a, yeah, it is warm. I have to get a thermal gun. Something else. Check the heat on it. I'm pretty sure there's one you can get on the phone. I think. I'm not gonna do it now. Anyway, what does that sound like? Thumbs up, thumbs down? We'll find out.